Hi, my name is Daniel Thun. This presentation is focusing on real estate investment on tax lien certificate. How many of you know that you can own a home for pennies and a dollar? Real estate investors are they don't want to understand this secret. Real estate investment are the best way you can secure your financial retirement future. What's the tax lien and what's the tax deed? Both are means of collection delinquent property tax, putting property back on the tax roll, and generating revenue to the county for the school, police department, road, and the hospital and fire department, libraries. There are two outcome objectives when investing in tax lien certificate. One is earning high interest rate. Second is acquiring valuable real estate for pennies and the dollar. Both are extremely profitable. As investors, we can attend these sales and acquire tax lien certificates that pay you 8% to 36% interest per year, depend on which county we are investing in. You don't have to be there physically. You can safely acquire tax lien certificate and the tax deed from the comfort of your own home. Are there any risks? Some counties will identify this type of challenge property on their list. Other counties will remove this challenge property from their list completely. I always advise investors to complete through due diligence no matter what to minimize their risk. The common risk factors are IRS lien, bankruptcy, and condemned structure, environmental issue, unusable land, undesirable neighborhood, industrial property, worthless property. It is important to note that this risk factor exists even when you are purchasing your own home from real estate agents. Are not you taking advantage of people in financial trouble? Completely no. You are advantaging them by giving by acquiring tax lien certificate. The property owner benefit because we as investors lend them money to pay their property taxes, allow them to stay in their home for another 6 months to 3 years without any negative consequence or any payment. Second beneficiary is a county and local community because they receive this much they receive their much needed property tax revenue for a school and the police department, libraries, and the fire department, and hospitals, and the roads, and the parks, and more for community uses. And another, the third one, beneficiary is investor. The investor is earn 18% to 16% safely, securely per year. Tax lien certificate investor investment is protected. Yes, definitely it's protected. The interest rate is protected for the investor. Redemption period is protected for the property owners. Collection and procedures are set and enforced by state law. That's for the county. Finally, a tax sale is the forced sale of property by the governmental entity for unpaid tax by the property owner. The sales depend on the jurisdictions, maybe a tax deed sales or tax lien sales. Under tax lien sales process depend on the jurisdiction. After a specific period of time, if the lien is not redeemed by the property owners, the lien holders can take legal action or claim the property. It's become also a property owner automatically by obtaining property. For more information, you can see the reference, or you can go on the Google and search for tax lien certificate property, and there is a lot of bunch information on Google too. All right, thank you for listening to me. Have a good one. Thank you.